I just bought a new cutting machine system from Digital Art Solutions. I got a GCC Jaguar 5 LX60 with the stand and the media holder, and I'm ecstatic. And the boxes are starting to arrive. I've got a huge box with even rope handles. I think the cutter's in that. Another large flat box that I think has the stand, and then this box, which I think has the setup material for the cutter and a Rhinestone Starter Kit. I'm going to open it up. We're going to see what's inside. I'm Joe, and let's take a look at what's inside this box from Digital Art Solutions. So I'm thrilled to be digging into these boxes because, to be honest, I don't know exactly what's in each box. The cutter itself comes with some items that I think will be packed in a smaller box like this, and then I got the Rhinestone Starter Set with the Stone Cut Plus 3 software. So who knows what's going to be in this box. Okay, there's my invoice or packing slip and some packing material. And here we go. So part of the cutting machine comes with a yard of T-Flex, which is a heat transfer vinyl, and also a yard of sign vinyl or regular vinyl. So that's this. Comes with a blade. And we also have a weeding tool in here. So that's all part of getting a cutting system from Digital Art Solutions. But this looks like the Rhinestone set. So here is a sample shirt with some bling. It has all the colors and sizes. On the front, it looks like single stones for each color. And on the back, there's 4 stones for each color. So look at that bling. So a really nice sample for me to be able to show. And more importantly, wear it when you can. So when people say, hey, what's that? You're like, hey, I can make shirts and things with rhinestones. So what else do we have? This is the Wonder Flock. This is 12 inches long, and there's about 2.5 yards on this roll. So this is what you cut out with the cutting machine, and you cut all the little holes that the rhinestones go in, and magically they go in all the holes just the right way. That's how you lay them out for your design. Of course, after you lay them out, you have to pick them up, and that's what this is. This is 12 inches wide by about 5 yards of silicone. So this is what we're going to use to pick the stones up off that flock. There's a non-stick sheet. These are sorting containers, and there's 15 of them in here. Then we have a brush pad. So this is where we're going to put the rhinestones on top of the vinyl with all the holes cut out and kind of very gently push them around like this, and they fall into place. And I know it's because there's a curved side and a flat side. The curved side always ends up, but to me it's still magic. And we have a sponge, again, to help do that. This is backing board or backer board. There's 5 pieces in here. That's 8 by 11.5. And there are 2 pieces of backer board that are 11 by 17. We're going to run out of room. I'll have to move the box. This is the tray, right? So this is the tray where we're going to put our flock once it's cut out, then dump the rhinestones, then push them around with that bar. There's a little pair of tweezers. So even though it works like 99% of the time, the rhinestones go all in the holes and the rest get pushed aside, sometimes there's 1 or 2 temperamental ones, especially if you didn't take care of static first. And so you can use these tweezers to help get them in just the right place. And then this is really cool, right? So this is a frame, and it's called the Smart Frame, and there's 2 of them in here. There's a 9 by 9 and 11 by 11. So these are laser cut, and we use it to do alignment when we're doing multi-decoration on, say, a shirt. So if you're going to do a shirt with heat transfer vinyl, you're going to cut out your heat transfer vinyl with a big weeding box, use it in this frame to place it on your shirt under your press. Then you take the frame away, right? Put your nonstick sheet, press it. Then you're going to line the rhinestone flock the same way, Then use your silicone sheet to kind of pick up all those stones, move it over to the shirt, and you're going to line up everything just perfectly. So here we can peel off that protective material. It's even engraved that says Smart Frame, and it's got the size on it, and it's from Digital Art Solutions. So it's really, really a nice tool for your shop. And then we have bling. So there's 3 bags of bling in here. Each one is 50 gross. That's 7,200 stones. So we have 7,200 blue, red, and clear. And you know, you can see them pretty well in the package, but I really want to see how much they sparkle. So let's see here. I have some dishes. We're going to use some dishes to look at our bling. Let's see if I can do the math. 7,200 times 3. That's 21,600 stones in these little bags combined, right? So there's the clear, and we'll try to get a close-up. They look like diamonds. Really nice. And then red. Wow, the red is a deep ruby red, almost like a garnet. It really looks like a gemstone. These are just beautiful. And then blue. Really pretty blue. I'm a Whovian at heart. If you're a Whovian, you know what that means. So you can tell I'm going to be making a blue rhinestone police box with these stones, because it's going to make a great gift or a great sample for my store. So there we have it. We have the cutter setup material. That was the 2 types of vinyl and the weeding tool. And then all this bling goodness in the Rhinestone Starter Kit. Plus, remember, the software Stone Cut Plus 3. So that's going to make laying these out, especially multi-material decorations, you know, where you're using heat transfer vinyl and then bling on top of that, just a breeze. I've got everything I need. A new cutting machine. I've got stuff to play with. I've got a sample sheet. I've got all the rhinestone goodness. I've got 21,600 pieces of bling. I'm ready to go with my new system from Digital Art Solutions.